In this video we are going to assemble a Cambo UST studio stand. Here we have the base, the column and the crossarm. When the stand arrives, its counterweight is locked inside of the column. This is to avoid damage during transportation. We've got to unlock it first. Here we prepare the column to join the base. The eye nut that we have just removed to unlock the counterweight is now connected to this threaded rod, and we'll use it to connect the column to the base. For clarity, we show the parts separately. We show this step once again. The most crucial step. That's why we are showing it twice. Now the base is connected to the column. Use the washer and the 20mm nut. Before fastening it completely, it's good to check it from the other side if it's properly seated. Tighten it now. Since the counterweight is in its lowest position, near to the base, it's pretty easy to lift the column up and put it vertically. We're almost ready, just adding the crossarm. There are 4 of these Allen bolts. Don't forget these 2 at the side of the handle. Now your Cambo UST stand is ready for use.